Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Coda Action Automation for workflow in your account. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then you click on Install. Head over to Allow and Install and you click on it. Ignore this pop-up. Once you're done with the installation, reload your tab and scroll down to the custom page, click on it. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have all the features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with the app. We have the tutorial that is going to walk you through how to set up your app. We have the setup feature over here. The app has not yet been connected, no worries. Let's walk you through on that. Head to the account which we've created online. Then you click on your profile and click on account settings. Then you head over to API settings and you generate a new token. You give it a name. Then you click on generate API token. Click on copy token. Head over to your account, click on start setup and insert. Then you click on complete setup. And there you go, your app has been successfully configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call with the team. We have the change log feature where you're going to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and you click on the subscribe. You've learned how to install and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.